Hi there! In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can disable Cloudflare for your website. So please listen carefully to each step that I will be explaining because I will describe everything clearly so you can follow along even if your screen looks different. And this is useful if you need troubleshoot server issues or temporarily bypass Cloudflare services. So first, you will log into your Cloudflare and then you will just have to go to your domain section, and of course you have to make sure that you already have your domain, and then what you will have to do is basically just click the domain that you would want to disable, and the next you will just have to go to overview, and then you will go to advanced actions. So search for it, advanced actions. So again, you have to make sure that you have the full version of the website and you do have the plan so that you would be able to actually see advanced actions or something similar to that. And then next, you will just have to click that and you will click post Cloudflare on site. And this disables Cloudflare services while keeping the DNS records intact. Then you will confirm by clicking post in the pop-up dialog. And next, you will just have to refresh your website, and again you should refresh the website like this, and then you should now be connecting directly to your server instead of through Cloudflare. And finally, you will just have and by the way, to enable Cloudflare, you will just have to return to the same location and click resume Cloudflare on site. And yeah, that's basically just it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.